Okay, welcome back. So, today's a good mental health day. We have had massive temperatures in Sydney. I live in the city, and they were high here. And if you go out west, where my daughter and my sister and other relatives are, it goes up by about anywhere between 6 to 10 degrees. And when I'm talking about out west, I'm still talking about suburbs of Sydney. So, like 45 minutes away to an hour away. We're on the coast. We had, I think it was between 86, one day was between 86 and 104 or 5 Fahrenheit, which is like, I think about 32 to 38. But out west it gets, 1 hour from where I live, it gets, 40 degrees. It's not a problem. We've had 40 in the city, and if it's 40 in here, they're dying out there. Worst thing is, it's not the heat. I love the heat. I can deal with the heat. It's the when the humidity sets in Sydney, it's pretty crap actually. I've lived in Broome and Kununurra and Townsville, and these are all tropical places. With Broome and Kununurra have high temperature. Well, Kununurra, like, I was there when it was 50 degrees, 49 degrees. And, like, that wasn't too bad because it was drier temperatures. Broome, everybody thinks it kills them, but it's a peninsula. So you've got ocean breezes, and you live according to the climate. So you don't use air conditioning, you use fans, and you just have, every house has fans going all the time on the ceiling. I think they're pretty mandatory in the building process. But in Sydney, everybody wants to use an air conditioner. All right, we have so much tar, so much concrete, so many bricks, buildings, and it absorbs the heat. So, like if it's 35 degrees, it feels like 40, and then you go out west where it actually is 40, all right, and it's just house after house after house. It's just crazy, and everybody's got air conditioning. So I can't have them because I have sinus. So fans, me getting my fans in recently has been fabulous. And I'm talking shit. So I have to go, and I have a psychologist appointment, which was supposed to be yesterday, but I was late for it, so she rearranged it to today because it was her husband's birthday. But it's so lovely to be here with you all again. And I think I'm getting better at this fucking talking on the camera, which is really good. So, I'll talk about the birds. They're gone now. And I'll put some footage in there, and everything will be wonderful. So, I've had a lot of family stuff, yeah? And the funeral and everything, and you can go, anybody that hasn't seen that, like I did a bit of a memorial for an uncle, so that was cool. And I'm just getting used to the camera again. Alright, I'm going to do this after I have Deborah's appointment, my psychologist, who's just amazing person. I love her so much. That woman taught me that I'm valuable. I never used to think I had self-worth problems, but I did, because I was a doormat. I was an absolute fucking doormat. And putting up boundaries is just shocking for everybody. So, let's have a drink. Absolutely shocking for everybody. And I love them all. And they've always gone on with their lives. But my head had me always worried about everybody. And then you instill that in people and they just take advantage of it without even knowing. They don't even mean to. They're not bad people. They're beautiful people. But they're so used to you being there for them or their problems that anyway, so we will get on with this. I have to check the time. I've got 4 minutes and I've got to be in there on the computer having an appointment, and I will catch up with you next time. And I love you all. You are my only friends. You, my support workers, my psychologist, that is shit, isn't it? What a life. But it's much better than all the problems. And I look forward to catching up with you soon. And there's going to be a lot more content, because I like doing it. It gets me out of my head, except when I'm talking like this. But that's a good thing because it's helping somebody, I'm sure. I'm going to come back, so I really need to go, and I'll talk to you soon. Be kind to yourself. Yeah, be kind to yourself. All right. Bye. Back onto mental health. Anyway, so I've had a few difficult nights sleep and stuff, but it's okay. Anyway, so can you hear those fellas in the background? I am going to, hang on a tick, I'm going to move you in closer. Finally, I got the stand back from the cat. Now I was outside, and it was beautiful and sunny, and then it pissed down in rain. A big storm. But now it's overcast, but still nice weather. And you can probably hear all the birds outside. I'm going to throw some footage of them in near the lorikeets. They're absolutely beautiful. So I love them for my mental health. They make me feel really good. They're just pretty and lovely. So we've got lots of rules about wildlife in Australia. So we can keep them in cages, but even if you're feeding them a diet that is specified for them, you're actually not supposed to do it. I don't think. I don't know about lorikeets, but where I live, I'm in a unit in the heart of the 2 streets from the heart of the city. But I'm lucky that I've got some beautiful, as you would have seen in other videos, some really beautiful trees and stuff like that on my veranda. So there's lots of them here. There's cockatoos here and everything. And yeah, and I love them. I really do. I have my music blaring and nobody complains, because when I get a bit down, I actually need to take my thoughts away, like, I'm not just down, like it's lifting. It's lifting. It's like ridiculous. Come on. I can't put it there because you'll knock it out. All right. There's one there. All right. And there's one on the table. They're actually being very naughty. Very loud today. And I think it's because of all the rain. Let's see if we can zoom in on these buggers. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you can hear them. Probably see them too, actually. Oh, they're just fucking crazy when there's two that normally come. Here we go. There we go, my friend. But they've brought it. Have a look at these trees. Can you see them? Like they're everywhere. And they're just naughty boys and girls. Yeah, I know. Go on. Hurry up. They're very beautiful, guys. They're just so beautiful. So beautiful. But they get ridiculous. Relax. As you can hear. Come on. Come on. Come on. You just get crazy. Get really crazy. Too many of them today, guys. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Here it is. Come on. Stop now. Yeah. They are just so noisy, these fellas. They're very beautiful, though. I love them. Just get in trouble off the neighbours. They're everywhere. Look at them. No wonder you can see them. But they're everywhere. And they're all waiting for a feed. Those fellas here. Okay. I'll start fighting in a minute. So normally it's only two that come. One had a broken beak. And he's very skinny, and I know that wildlife say that, just law of nature. But these birds live in these trees. They live in Sydney. We've actually taken up their property. And they're only noisy like this when they're hungry. So, I don't know whether you can see them. Alright, here they are. So it's easy to say don't feed them. There's a couple of big ones in there, but